I made $5,700 on Digistore 24. I made more than $5,000 on ClickBank. And I made more than $1,000 on JVZoo. And good amount of this money actually came from Pinterest. And everybody knows that Pinterest is actually a search engine. And that is why you guys keep asking me, can you please show us how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing? And today I'm going to show you exactly that. But Pinterest actually takes lots of time and lots of work. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a software that will help you to get more engagement, to get more followers, more saves, and to get more clicks on your posts and to get free traffic for affiliate marketing. So with that being said, let's start. Now, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche and you need to stick to that niche. Now, good thing about Pinterest affiliate marketing is you can actually promote multiple different products for multiple different affiliate networks. So let's say that I'm in weight loss niche. Now, second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. So let's say for this example that I'm going to use Digistore 24 to find those products. So I'm here on Digistore 24 and I need to go on Digistore 24 marketplace. And because we are talking about weight loss, I need to scroll here and click on fitness and health. And what you need to do, you need to research all of these products on first, second, third, and so on pages in order to find the best ones for you to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. Now here you can see I can earn 32 euros per sale on average. And I actually already promote this product and I know they have a good sales page. This is actually a good product and actually I'm making good money. Now next thing you need to do, you need to start your blog or your website, or you need to start publishing articles on medium.com or on Vocal Media. Now I already published article on Vocal Media and this is my article. Now I will not show you how to publish articles on Vocal Media because I already showed you how to publish articles on Vocal Media many times. But I will tell you this is important. When you are publishing articles on medium.com or on Vocal Media, on the bottom you need to give an affiliate disclaimer. Just like this, you need to say that this article contains affiliate links. That is really important. Otherwise, you will be banned from Medium or Vocal Media. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to go on Unsplash and you need to find royalty-free photos and images. That is really important because if you don't use royalty-free photos and images, then you will be banned on Pinterest. And you don't want to be banned on Pinterest, right? So what you need to do, here in search bar, just type keto, okay? Keto, okay? And press enter. And then what you need to do, choose here any orientation and then click here on portrait because we are actually making a Pinterest pin. And here you can find lots of really good, really eye-catchy photos and images, royalty-free photos and images. And you need to find a really catchy photos. Now this is a great photo. As you can see here, this is an eye-catchy photo. That is really important because you wish to get as many clicks as you can on Pinterest. That is why you need to start search images like this, okay? So what you need to do next, you need to click here and choose the dimensions. And then just click here on free download and download this on your desktop. Next thing you need to do, you need to go on Canva. And here in search bar, just type Pinterest. Okay? Pinterest pin. That is what we actually need. We need Pinterest pin. And then click here, create blank Pinterest pin. And all you have to do now is just click here on uploads and upload this image that you downloaded from Unsplash, uploaded on Canva, okay? I already did that, so let me just find that image quickly. So just give me a minute to do that. Okay, this is the image. And I actually need to make this fit to my template, just like this, okay? And now this image is eye-catchy and it will make people stop. When they are scrolling on Pinterest, they will stop when they see this image because this is an eye-catchy image. But now I actually need to give a call to action. I stop them from scrolling. Now I need to make them to click on this image and to visit my website. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here on this T for text and I need to choose one of these text styles. Let's say this one here. I don't need this part here, so I will delete that, okay? And here I need to say something like, for example, I already prepared that, Control C. I can say something like this, okay? I will make this wider, just like this, okay? And I'm going to make this to be white. Just click here on this A, and it is white now. And I'm going to move that here. Here you can see keto diet for lazy people. Now that is catchy, and all the people who are not really committed, they will actually click to see what is this keto diet for lazy people. So this is a good call to action. Now, after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on share and then click here on download and download this as a PNG. Or you can simply click here on animate and you can add some animation here or something like that, okay? And then you can simply click here on share and then download, and you can choose here MP4 and download this as a video. But fair disclaimer, not everybody has option to upload videos on Pinterest. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on your Pinterest page and you need to upload this pin. Just click here on create a pin, and here you can upload your pin, okay? This is my pin, and here you need to choose a right board. So choose a board related to keto or lazy keto. Now, it doesn't matter how you actually called your board, but that board must contain your main keyword. In this case, it is a keto, okay? Here you need to add title. Now we are optimizing our pin for Pinterest search engine, okay? Here in title also you need to add your main keyword. In this case, it is lazy keto. So what you can do, you can simply say something like this: easy keto diet for lazy people. And same thing here in the description. You also need to include your main keyword. In this case, it is keto, lazy keto diet, okay? Of course, you will add more description. I added just this one sentence, short sentence here, but like I said, try to add more description. And also try to add emojis that will draw even more attention on your pins. And then here you need to add a text, a link to your article. So simply go back here on Vocal Media, Ctrl+C, go back on Pinterest and paste that here. Now, as you can see, this is an eye-catchy post, Pinterest post. That is really, really important in order to get as many clicks as you can. Look at this. This is an amazing photo, interesting photo, a bit of controversial photo. So people will actually stop scrolling when they see this photo. And then they will read this call to action, keto diet for lazy people. They will see this easy keto diet for lazy people. And they will see description and they will simply click on it to actually read more about this lazy keto diet. And potentially they will click on your affiliate link and they will buy that product. But like I said, Pinterest takes time and it takes work to get engagement, to get followers, to get saves, and to get clicks, to get free traffic. So what you can do is you can actually automate all of this entire process. Just go on this website called Somibo, and here you can see you can get Pinterest followers, you can get Pinterest likes, you can get Pinterest views, okay? But here when you click on Pinterest View Generator, now I would not recommend to use Pinterest View Generator. I didn't have good experience with this, but you can use Pinterest promo. So these guys will basically automatically engage with other people in your niche with their posts, with their content, and they will start following those people. So some of those people will start following you back, and some of those people will start engaging with your own Pinterest content. And you will start ranking on Pinterest. So when I type here keto, you will start ranking in top results here. When someone search for keto, lazy keto, keto recipes and stuff like that, you will start ranking here in top results, and you will start getting most of the traffic from Pinterest, and that is free traffic for Pinterest affiliate marketing. And like I said, you can start here, sign up for free, start for free, download this and install on your computer, and you can start using this, and in next 3 or 4 months you will start getting free traffic to your blog, to your website, to your Vocal Media article, and you will start getting clicks on your affiliate link, and you will start making sales. You will start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.